Hey, what's up? We're from Brent Speed. Thanks so much for watching Brent Speed TV. Today, automatic 22 Mach 1 Mustang, Whipple Supercharged, really down almost 900 raw horsepower. We're going to watch the dyno pull. We're going to tell you how we got there. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, so what do you have going? First, what's this cost to get installed? If you watch this video, like it, email quote@brentspeed.com and check out our website, brentspeed.com, because these Whipples we typically have in stock. We can ship right to your door and install here in Indiana. But come down here, Doug, look, take a look. Mach 1 2022, Gen 5 Whipple. It's a stage 2 kit. All right, we got the big 132 throttle body. But how do you make almost 900 raw horsepower on this? It's just simple mods. I mean, it's pretty amazing. 1050 injectors. You know, we got E85, you got to do fuel system. A lot of you like E85, you're not quite sure how to do it. 1050 injectors from Injector Dynamics. I'll put links in the description, you can read a lot more about it. 4 turnstile fuel system. We're using the dual pump. Stainless power long tube headers, billet oil pump gears, rear cylinder cooling kit, and that's pretty much it. This is a 3.25 pulley on this. A lot of you ask, comes in, and we're going to look at the dyno graph after the pull, about 15 pounds of boost. But that's it. This car is an automatic. That's sick power. 890 the tires. Check out this dyno pull. All right, check these numbers out. DynoJet, SAE, smoothing 5, 891 roll horse, 7,800 RPM through the auto. I love it. 646 torque, peaking 6,500, boost 15.7 at 7,800. And smooth grass, if you look at the boost, we hit 15 pounds, right about 6,500 RPM. But I love that right there. This car is going to be so fast on the street, and it's an auto. This is sick. 2022 Mach 1. So a couple things. Again, quote@brentspeed.com. What's this cost to get built? And then at the end of this video, if you're not a subscriber, you might have missed it. I suggest doing that. I will put a link to a shop tour that we did last week so you can see all the type of cars we build here at Brent Speed. We're in Indiana. That's pretty much it for today. Awesome Mach 1, almost 900 of the tires, E85. I love it. Subscribe, notify, stay up to date. Quote@brentspeed.com. What's it cost to get built? Thanks for watching.